Alright, in this second video, I'd like to cover how to import course content. It's actually not very difficult, but I'll demonstrate it here with my acoustic guitar class. Go to the left-hand column, scroll down, and where it says Settings, click there. And if you go to the right-hand column, you'll see Import Course Content. And then what you want to do is copy a Canvas course, and then type in the name of the course. And you'll want to look for, of course, fall term, the previous term, whatever the previous term might be. Try that one more time. Copy a Canvas course, GTR 140. So I'm looking for fall 17-18. Then click on All Content and Import. And as you can see, it's queued. And then it'll import the course content, which I've already done actually in this class, but I'm just going through the process for you at this point. Once it's imported, you can come to your home page and you'll notice that the courses, all the content has come over, all the modules are there and everything. And that's the wonderful thing about Canvas, is it saves you so much time in the long run. So there's a slight learning curve when you learn how to use Canvas and you get your content in, but once it's established, each quarter all you really have to do is republish the class and, you know, tweak it and make it a little better each time, and it's just fantastic. So one thing you got to remember, once you imported the course content and everything's ready to go, you got to publish the class. Very, very important. Your students won't be able to see this until you've published it. So click Publish, and now it's live, and your students will be able to see it and find their assignments and do their homework and keep up with their grades. So everybody should definitely do that. By the end of the first week of class, we should have all your courses published and the content imported. I'm going to create another video that explains how to start roll call and how to do attendance in Canvas.